Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Thursday, October 21st, 2021. Please stand and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we're having breakfast pizza. For lunch, we're having sloppy joes. Tomorrow for breakfast, we're having Pop-Tart, and for lunch, we're having taco salad. Today's announcements. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Masks. Students, make sure you have your mask on. It's part of your school uniform. We do not have additional masks to give out to students. Teachers must always make sure their students are wearing them correctly. Today's late duty is Miss Lee. Tomorrow is Miss Peralta. The word of the day is multiple. A multiple is the product of a whole number and any other whole number. So when you're multiplying, those are multiples. So multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Okay? It's also what you're doing when you're skip counting. Those are the multiples. Important dates. This week is still Digital Citizenship Week. There are lots of great activities that the district sent out. October 25th through the 29th is the Book Fair and Red Ribbon Week. October 27th is PST during Extended PE and 5th grade Super Scholars. October 28th is Read for the Record. October 29th is Feel Good Friday and the Fundraiser ends. November 3rd, the Sunnyside Theater play will be here. November 10th is Reading and Math PLT. November 11th, No School for Veterans Day. And November 12th is World Kindness Day. Next week we'll have Red Ribbon Week. So Monday is Red Out Monday. Tuesday is Sock It to Drugs. Wednesday is Team Up Against Drugs. Thursday is Too Bright for Drugs. And Friday, I Would Rather Read Than Do Drugs. Still doing our Be a Champion and Read contest. So bring back your form signed and give it to Miss Smith in the library. We also are still doing our coupon book fundraiser, so you can win some great prizes by selling those coupon books. And that's all for today's news. Have a thankful Thursday, Kate Shepherd.